Little Tio wakes up early today, runs to Grandpa, can I help? Okay. Boots on his feet, big smile so wide, helping Grandpa right by his side. Tio helps, yes he can, helping Grandpa like a little man. Work and play all day long, helping together, singing this song. Milking the cows, splish splash sound, cutting the grass green all around. Chop chop wood, strong and slow, look at little Tio go go go. Tio helps every day, learning and growing along the way. Big heart, small hands, loving too.